Did you know that you can travel the world for less than $50 a day? It's true. Millions of people ditch the 9-to-5 grind and embrace a life of travel on a budget. They explore exotic destinations, immerse themselves in different cultures, and create unforgettable memories, all without breaking the bank. Many people believe that travel is only for the wealthy. They think you need a fat wallet to see the world, but that's simply not true. With a little planning and resourcefulness, anyone can experience the joys of travel, regardless of their budget. Let me tell you how I turned my passion for budget travel into a full-time lifestyle. Before I hit the road, I was stuck in a rut. Every day felt like a monotonous cycle that I couldn't escape. I worked a boring office job that I hated. The fluorescent lights, the endless paperwork, and the constant hum of the office machines were draining my soul. I spent my days staring at a computer screen, dreaming of far-off lands. I longed for adventure. I craved new experiences. My mind would wander to exotic beaches, bustling markets, and ancient ruins, but I felt trapped by my financial situation. The weight of bills and responsibilities kept me anchored to my desk. One day I stumbled upon a blog about budget travel. It was like a beacon of hope in my otherwise dreary existence. I was amazed by the stories of people traveling the world on a shoestring budget. They were exploring new cultures, meeting fascinating people, and experiencing life to the fullest. They were living proof that you didn't need to be rich to see the world. Their stories showed me that with a bit of planning and creativity, anything was possible. Their experiences ignited a spark in me. I felt a newfound sense of excitement and possibility. I realized that I didn't have to be defined by my job or my finances. I could take control of my life and create my own path. I could break free and pursue my dreams. With determination and a bit of courage, I set out on a journey that would change my life forever. The biggest misconception about travel is its cost. Many people believe that traveling is a luxury only the wealthy can afford. They see the price of flights, accommodation, and activities and immediately feel discouraged. They assume that travel is out of reach, a dream that will never become a reality. But what they don't see are the countless ways to save money and make travel affordable. For instance, you can find affordable flights by traveling during the off-season and using budget airlines. These airlines offer competitive prices that can significantly reduce your travel expenses. Hostels and guest houses provide cheap and cheerful accommodation options. They are not only budget-friendly but also offer a chance to meet fellow travelers. Free walking tours, local markets, and cooking your own meals can significantly reduce your expenses. Street food and local markets are great places to find delicious and affordable meals. In the beginning, my biggest challenge was overcoming my fear of the unknown. The thought of stepping into unfamiliar territory was daunting. I was scared to leave my comfort zone, my job, and my family. The idea of leaving everything behind was terrifying. I was worried about running out of money, getting lost, or not being able to speak the language. These fears held me back for a long time, but I knew that if I didn't take the leap, I would regret it for the rest of my life. The experiences and memories I've gained are priceless, and they have made every challenge worth it. Over the years, I've learned countless tricks for traveling cheaply. From finding the best deals on flights to saving on accommodation, one of my favorite strategies is to embrace slow travel. Instead of rushing from one destination to the next, I spend more time in each place. This not only saves money, but also allows for a deeper connection with the destination. This allows me to immerse myself in the local culture, find cheaper accommodation options, and discover hidden gems that most tourists miss. These hidden spots often offer the most authentic experiences. Another tip is to be flexible with your travel plans. Sometimes the best experiences happen when you least expect them. Being open to change can lead to unforgettable moments. Don't be afraid to deviate from your itinerary if an exciting opportunity arises. Embrace spontaneity. It can turn a good trip into a great one. And never underestimate the power of human connection. Talk to locals, fellow travelers, and expats. They can offer invaluable insights, recommendations, and even a place to stay. Building these connections can enrich your travel experience in ways you never imagined. Sharing a meal with locals, for instance, can provide a unique perspective on the culture and traditions of the place you're visiting. Documenting your journey can also be a great way to reflect on your experiences and share them with others. Looking back at your travel memories can inspire future adventures and remind you of the incredible experiences you've had. So keep exploring, stay curious, and continue to travel on a shoestring. The world is full of wonders waiting to be discovered.